Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll see two main keywords, that is union and union all. These two are mainly used. So union is mainly used if you want to combine some two or more queries at a time. And if you want to have a distinct values, then you should be using the keyword union. If you want to have the data that is the result set, if you want duplicate data as well from the tables, then you would use union all. That's the only difference between union and union all. So to quote this example, uh, I have created three tables: employee, that employee, vendor 1, and then I have created vendor 2. So what are these three tables about? So whenever you use union, you need to compare the way you're doing the select statements. It's like all the, if for example, if I'm doing union for employee, vendor 1, vendor 2, the column names should be the same. You cannot have unique column names or different column numbers as well, because SQL will throw an exception. So I have created an employee table which has EID, e-name, position and salary. And then vendor 1 which has VID, EID, e-name, salary. Vendor 2 also has the same thing. So these tables I've created so that what I have to find is the e-name, the employee name can work for different vendors. He can work for vendor 1 and he can work for vendor 2 as well. So at the same time, so if you want to write a query of retrieving information about retrieve the information of the salary of this particular employee from this vendor and this vendor. So if you want to retrieve all, then you need to use like union in order to combine all the queries. So this would be mostly useful if you have n number of multiple queries. You can even replace this with where, and, or, but it will be more useful when you have really n number of queries, like 2 or n number of queries. So for the example, what we'll do is, we'll say select what are the common columns that we have: e-name, salary, e-name, salary, e-name, salary is the common one. So we need to retrieve e-name, salary. It's not mandatory that you need to retrieve e-name and salary both, but you need to retrieve only the common information, otherwise it will throw an error. Okay, and then from the employee table, let me see what it shows. Okay, it shows the e-name and salary information from the employee table. Okay, and let me just copy and paste this. Okay, here I would write vendor 1, vendor 2. Now see, vendor 1 has e-name and salary. It has a lot, not, and then vendor 2 also has e-name and salary. Okay, now if I want to find the employees that are in all together in the employees table, in the vendor 1 table, vendor 2 table, I need to get the information from all the three tables, but I want only e-name, salary. Then what will I use? Union. So let's just select these two. So now I'm retrieving information from employee and vendor 1 only. So I'll just select this, execute. See, I have Maladi, Gattur, Guntur, Annu, Chilka, Puli, Anu. Okay, so I have these, and then when I say this, I get all these information right from there. Okay, now if I say this, all, and select, I'm going to get all the information of the employee names and salary as well. But what if we say union all and then execute? If you say union all and execute, what you see is, you see the duplicate values. Malladi, Malladi, you see Guntur, Guntur, and you see Guntur right in here, you have Anu. So you see the duplicate values as well. Sometimes we might need the duplicate values as well, because employee 1 can work for vendor 1 and vendor 2 as well. So we might need union all. You can also say union and union all. You can have this combination as well. So what it does, for these two it will allow duplicates. For this combination it will not allow duplicates. So these are the different combinations that you can do. At the same vice versa, you can have union all here, okay, and you can have union. So this is how you use union and union all. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Thank you.